Third episode, the third guest. We have today Andrea Messori from Italy. If you've attended any tool fair before, you will surely recognize him. For those of you who don't know him, well, Andrea, can you introduce yourself? Can you describe your job, for instance, besides the tool fair?
Besides the tool fair, I'm a trainer. I'm project manager because I'm involved in training and so on. This is what I can tell you to all the people belonging to our field, because if I have to explain the same to my mother, it will take a lot more words, and I will not obtain the same results.
Well, we know the feeling. In the tool fair, you are the coordinator. Now, what does that mean?
You have to know that the tool fair is a huge machine. So the coordinator is tackling everything, is taking care about content, is taking care also about if the post-it are on the table, for example. But most of the question is that we are a huge team with a lot of competencies. There is 22 people that are involved in it, and plus the support team, video team, editing team. So you have to coordinate also a group that is coordinating the activity. So my task, and that's the reason why I'm working also with another colleague, Federica De Micheli, because we share this task. Is quite complicated, and it lasts 1 year.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and I pretty much know how complicated it is. We've been working together for the Tufer since the fourth edition in 2009. It was in Evora, Portugal. And for as much as the Tufer is a format, it does include every year some small changes and innovations, Andrea. So what are the new things we can expect this year at the Tufer, for instance?
Yeah, this is a challenge, because every year we say, okay, we have done the most things possible. It's not possible to add anything else. It's not true. Every year we are trying, and we found out something more. For example, this year there are few changes, but few changes that are quite important. First of all, there is the question is we transform the local visits into a carbon compensation workshop. It means we add, due to the topic of this year, also the possibility to get out of the hotel, going directly in the city of Marseille, and do something for the community, compensating the carbon we have produced, joining the tool fair. At the same time, we displaced the tool market at the end of the event, and there is important surprises. I will not tell you more, but we will have surprises. No spoiling, but we have interesting guests, and we have a lot of young people that will join us. So they will be again beneficiaries joining the tool fair. No, so not only people that are practitioners, trainers, teachers, educators, but also young people will join us.
I see. Well, then it looks like participants will have an active role this year at the tool fair. So, is there any special message you want to share with them?
Yeah, as I'm doing in the last years, I'm specifically taking care about the participants, taking care about their preparation. So what I can tell them is that this year, especially due to the topic sustainability, we have welcomed more tools than in the previous years. We have 23 different tool workshops, for example, and we give specific space also to tools that are not particularly experimented already. They are not completely fine-tuned because the topic is new in Erasmus Plus Youth. So we leave space also to the people that would like to use the tool fair as a laboratory in order to fine-tune, to ask help to the colleagues. So the participants can enjoy the tool workshop, can learn from workshop, even more than in the other years. We are called in a way to contribute literally to the development of a tool.
Well, thank you, Andrea. It looks like everybody's going to have quite an active role. And see you very soon in Marseille.
Yeah, 1 week. Huh?
1 week to go. All right. Thank you.
Ciao,
Bye.
ciao.